Right, I was going to test this diode, oil alert diode for a video. Oh. I use this lead. So you want to go to diode mode. So that's diode mode. So you should get a volt drop in one direction, nothing that way. When you swap the leads around, you're getting a volt drop. So nothing one way and some at the other, a volt drop the other way. So that's fine. Might as well test this oil level while we're at it. It should be short circuit because there's no oil in it, to come with no oil. So over to ohms. Now I'll leave it on continuity. So I'll put the 1 lead to the earth or body of the unit, then connect to this. Should be short circuit, which it is. Obviously there's no oil in it, so I can't test it the other way. No. Oh, it's shut off now. It shouldn't be because it's down. So I don't know what's happened there. I'll get a tap with my rubber hammer. Oh, it's gone short circuit again now, so that's what it should be like, with no oil in. Obviously it's shorted now and it's short the ignition to ground and it wouldn't spark.